26 Fort City 1024. 283 eastbound with a black Kia Optima, Tennessee. Boy David Nora 8809. Boy David Nora 8809. Tennessee.
That's one obnoxious.
Fort City 1037. TBI. Get ready. Felony takedown.
TBI.
Damn it, here we go. They're taking back off. Seatbelt. We'll be up on the bridge. We're gonna TBI again out there. Get ready. Turn around, watch. Hands. Let me see your fucking hands! Hands! Hey, keep on him, I'm gonna turn the siren off. Hands up! Keep his hands up! Turn around! Hands up! Walk back! Keep your hands up and walk back! Hands up and walk back! Keep them up! Keep them up! Keep your fucking hands up, you hear me?
Hey, yo, stop.
Okay, if you could have stopped and told me that. I'm trying to get you one. Well, now we're going to do it. No, you're not doing anything right now. I'll take care of it. Under arrest. No, we're still holding on the car. Aggressive. You're being a dumbass. How am I supposed to know that if you don't stop and help me? Stop and tell the police? You got nothing else on you left. Is there anybody else in that car? No. I'm going to come up to the phone. Nobody else in it. Always after pursuit, once you get the vehicle cleared and it's safe, cut it off, hit pursuit, and start traffic, okay?